Manatee County workers soon may not have to go all that far for basic health care needs. The county has been working to build an on-site clinic for county employees. As 8 on Your Side's Ryan Hughes shows us, this could save taxpayers millions of dollars over years.
Right now, it's old brick and wood and a lot of space. But Manatee County leaders want to transform this decades-old building into an on-site health clinic for each and every county employee.
Our philosophy has always been, let's help people get healthier, and that will ultimately reduce the cost to our taxpayers.
Kim Stroud has worked for years to get the idea off the ground. The clinic would be housed in the old Merrill Lynch building. County workers could stop in for basic medical needs, and that helped cut high costs they may face at a doctor's office or in the emergency room.
They've got a headache, they've got a sore throat, they have a sinus infection. They could come in, they could see a physician, they could get a script, and they could get back to work.
This is the Manatee County Administration building. If workers here had a health issue, they could simply walk a few steps here to get care. The clinic wouldn't replace an employee's primary care physician. It'd be used as a quick care facility. Some county residents wish the services could be theirs, too.
What about the rest of the county residents? They still have to go to the emergency room. They still have to get their Obamacare.
Is it the best use of the tax dollars that it's being targeted for just a very specific group?
8 on Your Side learned the county anticipates it'll cost nearly $3 million to renovate the building, and it'll take 3 years to get a return on that investment. Pasco County opened 2 wellness centers for county employees and saved more than $900,000 in healthcare costs in the first year alone. More than 4,000 employees have already visited. Reporting in Bradenton, I'm Ryan Hughes, News Channel 8.
Well, not so fast. County commissioners must approve funding for the clinic within the next several weeks. Now, we're told there has been some opposition already to this clinic by local doctors. They feel it's going to take business away from them.